Welcome back to EV Horizon. Today, we're unleashing the beast, the NIO EP9, China's groundbreaking electric hypercar, officially known as the Electric Performance 9. This track-only monster from NIO isn't just an EV, it's a statement of extreme engineering, blending blistering power with futuristic tech to challenge the world's fastest machines. Unveiled in 2016 as NIO's halo vehicle, the EP9 shattered records and proved electric propulsion could dominate supercar territory. With only a handful ever built, it's ultra-rare, track-focused, and pushes boundaries like few others. Let's break down what makes this electric hypercar legendary. From the exterior, the NIO EP9 looks like pure aggression sculpted in carbon fiber. Its low, wide stance screams track weapon, stretching about 192 inches long, 88 inches across, and just 45 inches tall. It sits razor close to the ground for ultimate aerodynamics. The body is almost entirely carbon fiber, keeping curb weight around 3,825 pounds despite the massive battery. Up front, aggressive splitters and air intakes channel airflow, while the sleek, minimalist nose avoids traditional grills. No engine means no need for cooling openings there. Sharp LED headlights integrate seamlessly, giving it a predatory glare. Massive side sills and flared arches accommodate enormous tires on lightweight wheels, optimized for grip and heat dissipation. The roofline flows into a gigantic rear wing that deploys and adjusts, generating up to 24,000 newtons of downforce, twice that of a Formula One car at high speeds, paired with a huge diffuser and underbody channels for insane cornering stability. Active aero elements, including movable flaps, switch between high downforce track mode and lower drag for straights. The overall design is brutal yet elegant, with exposed carbon weaves, vented panels, and a wide track for planted handling. It's not street legal, pure circuit dominance, with a drag coefficient tuned for speed over efficiency, and colors often in striking NIO blues or aggressive blacks to match its ferocious personality. Inside the cockpit, the EP9 prioritizes driver focus over luxury comforts. It's a two-seater built for performance. The cabin is Spartan, wrapped in lightweight materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber, with minimal distractions to keep weight down and attention on the track. Deeply bolstered racing seats hug you tight during those claimed 3G corners, and the driving position is low and centered for perfect control. The dashboard is simple. A digital instrument cluster displays critical vitals like speed, power distribution, and G-forces, while a small central screen handles basic telemetry. No fancy infotainment here, it's all about the drive. Physical controls are race-inspired, with a steering wheel featuring paddle-like adjustments for torque vectoring and modes. The interior matches the exterior's intensity, exposed carbon elements, harness mounts, and a roll cage for safety. Space is tight but purposeful, with just enough room for helmets and essentials. It's quiet at low speeds thanks to electric silence, but at full attack, tire roar and motor whine create an immersive symphony. Safety includes structural reinforcements and fire suppression, though creature comforts like climate control or basic, this is no daily driver. Performance is where the EP9 truly electrifies. 4 independent electric motors, one at each wheel, deliver all-wheel drive with individual gearboxes for precise torque vectoring. Total output hits 1 megawatt, equating to 1,341 horsepower and around 1,091 pound-feet of torque, available instantly from standstill. Acceleration is mind-bending. 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.7 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds, and a top speed of 195 miles per hour in low drag mode or up to 217 miles per hour. Claimed in some configs, the 120 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack provides roughly 265 miles of range, but on track, it's about explosive laps rather than endurance. Regenerative braking is aggressive, helping recharge during hard stops. The real magic is handling. With 3G cornering capability, advanced torque vectoring, and that massive downforce, it laps circuits faster than many gas hypercars. It famously set a Nürburgring record of 6 minutes 45 seconds and 90 milliseconds in 2017, proving EV supremacy on one of the toughest tracks. The high-drop pneumatic-like suspension and low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery make it glued to the tarmac, while quick battery swaps in under minutes during demos keep it racing. Charging is DC fast, but for track days, swaps are the way. On prices, the NIO EP9 was never meant for mass production, only 16 units planned, with 6 initially sold to investors at around $2.5 million each, and public ones listed up to $3 million. Some have traded hands recently for figures like $1.48 million after storage, but originals commanded premium prices reflecting exclusivity, hand-built carbon construction, and record-breaking pedigree. No ongoing production, no trims, just ultra-limited, collectible status for the wealthiest EV enthusiasts. At that level, it's an investment in automotive history as much as a hypercar. There you have it, the NIO EP9 remains one of the most audacious electric hypercars ever, a track terror that redefined what's possible with batteries and motors. If ultimate performance is your thrill, this Chinese icon delivers like no other. Thanks for watching EV Horizon. Smash like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you'd track one. See you next time.